Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about one of the most powerful, stable, and honestly one of the most underrated Linux distributions out there. If you've ever wondered what makes openSUSE special, why professionals and developers love it, and whether you should use it in 2025, then stick around. This video is going to answer all of that. So grab a coffee, relax, and let's dive in. openSUSE is a community-driven Linux distribution that's backed by SUSE, a major enterprise Linux company. Think of Ubuntu backed by Canonical, Fedora backed by Red Hat, and openSUSE backed by SUSE. That means you get professional quality, long-term stability, and enterprise-level tools in a free operating system. Many Linux professionals say if you want a Linux system that just works and stays stable for years, openSUSE is the way to go. One thing that makes openSUSE unique is that it offers two editions. The first is openSUSE Leap, which focuses on stability. It's ideal for work, businesses, servers, and production environments. It takes its base from SUSE Linux Enterprise, meaning it shares the same trusted foundation used in professional environments around the world. If reliability is your top priority, Leap is an amazing choice. The second edition is Tumbleweed. This is a rolling release, meaning it always stays up to date with the latest software, kernels, drivers, and desktop environments. Gamers, developers, and Linux enthusiasts love Tumbleweed because it feels fresh and modern. So the real question becomes, do you want stability or do you want the latest updates? openSUSE lets you choose, which is something you don't see in most other distros. Now, let's talk about the biggest reason people fall in love with openSUSE. YaST stands for yet another setup tool, but don't let the name fool you. It's one of the most powerful system configuration tools in the entire Linux world. With YaST, you can manage software, network settings, users, firewall rules, partitions, bootloader settings, virtualization, system services, and updates all from a clean, organized interface. It's like having a full control panel for your entire operating system. Other distros simply don't offer something at this level. openSUSE also uses Zypper as its package manager, and many users say Zypper feels like apt and DNF combined, but faster and more reliable. It handles dependencies extremely well, supports parallel downloads, and even allows system rollback. If you enjoy working with the command line, Zypper will definitely impress you. And speaking of rollbacks, this is where openSUSE becomes a monster. Thanks to Btrfs, snapshots, and integration with tools like Snapper, every system update automatically creates a snapshot. So if something breaks after an update, you can reboot. Select an older snapshot, and your system is instantly restored. No reinstalling, no headaches. This makes openSUSE one of the safest distros when it comes to updating your system. Security is another strong point. Since openSUSE shares technology with enterprise environments, it benefits from strong security practices. It includes signed repositories, secure package updates, and has excellent support for Linux and API. Many companies use it in servers because of its reliability and security model. When it comes to the desktop experience, openSUSE gives you options. You can run KDE, Plasma, GNOME, XFCE, Mate, Cinnamon, and more. But most people agree that KDE Plasma on openSUSE is one of the best Plasma experiences available. It feels polished, stable, and well integrated with system tools. So who should use openSUSE? It's perfect for developers, system administrators, power users, people who want reliability, and anyone who's tired of unstable updates. Leap is excellent for offices, businesses, and long-term usage. Tumbleweed is great for gamers, YouTubers, hardware testers, and tech enthusiasts who love the latest software. However, openSUSE might not be the best choice for complete beginners who need Ubuntu-style simplicity. Users who rely heavily on .deb packages, or people who depend on proprietary apps that only support Ubuntu. It's not that openSUSE is hard, but it requires a little more understanding compared to beginner-focused distributions. So should you use openSUSE in 2025? If you want stability, power, professional tools, automatic rollback safety, and one of the best KDE desktop experiences in Linux, then openSUSE definitely deserves your attention. It's not just another Linux distro, it's a professional-grade system available for everyone. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Linux content. Let me know in the comments whether you prefer Leap or Tumbleweed, and I'll see you in the next one.